YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend. This is the Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So today we're going to show you guys some quick fixes on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. We have taken all 4 wheels off. As you guys can tell, the cleaner is not moving. It's just gonna sit here nice and quiet on the table for me while I show you guys how to do this. But today we're going to replace the actual rubber tires on the outside of the wheels. Over time, these rubber tires are going to get sticky, they're gonna get gunky, they're gonna mix with all the different chemical compositions that you have in your pool. And over time, it's important to replace these to make sure that the cleaner can do its job properly. So really easy fix, and definitely helps keep the longevity of your cleaner going over multiple seasons. So if you guys want to know how to get the wheels off, how to get where we are currently on the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a playlist for this cleaner with all the different breakdown from the outside in. We're going to go even farther than what you guys see here now, but for today we're just going to show you guys how to swap these out. Once you got them off and you got the wheels in your hand, this doesn't necessarily need to be done with the wheels off. It can be a little bit easier. For demonstration purposes, we have the wheels off, so we're going to just show you guys how to pull off your old tire and put on a new one. So you simply just grab the actual rubber piece of the tire, and just like you would with a normal bike tire, you just kind of slowly work it out all the way around. You can do the same thing as it's connected to your cleaner, but again, in this case, the wheels are already off. So once you get it all worked off, it simply slides off, and you're gonna go ahead and throw away the old one and grab your new one. The new ones are not directional. It does not matter which side goes on the front and which side would go on the back. They both have writing on each side that explains the patents on it, as well as other information for the cleaner. So it does not matter which side you use. To put your new one on, I always start just like you do with a bike tire. I start on one side, try to get it as flush as you can, and then just like you took it off, you just take your time stretching it out and going over all the way around the edge of the wheel. These like to, for this particular cleaner, these wheels will sit pretty much flush on the back side, and then they have a little bit more of a lip on the front side. With the hubcap that goes on here, it makes it look a lot more flush, but we've already taken those off, so that's one key to know how you got the tire on properly, so that as the tire spins, nothing's wobbly or on incorrectly. So again, important to swap these out every couple seasons, especially with taking it in and out of the water. For any of my East Coast pools that typically use these pressure cleaners, if it sits in your pool all year long and it's still running all year long, we definitely suggest replacing the tires at least once every couple seasons, so that the cleaner will do its job efficiently and doesn't get hung up or stuck on anything in your pool. So make sure you guys check out the links to the description. We got a ton more videos coming your way for this cleaner, as well as all other types of cleaners. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Kyle with ePoolSupply. See you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.